Welcome to the user training series for Show the Way, the street outreach mobile app from Simtech Solutions. This module will cover the homepage and navigation menus. Our objectives will be to learn how to log in to Show the Way, the homepage, the right side nav menu, and the left side nav menu. Let's go ahead and get started. Show the Way can be downloaded from the App Store from Apple or Google Play on your mobile device. It can also be accessed online at showtheway.org. Each user will need an account created for them by their local administrator. Your username is going to be your email address. The first time you log in, you can use the Forgot Password button to set your password. You'll need to enter your email address and click OK. You'll be sent an email with instructions for setting your password. Please be sure to check your junk or spam folder. Show the Way uses strong security requirements for passwords. Here are the rules that you must follow when you're setting up your password. Please read these carefully and ensure that your password meets these requirements. Once you confirm your password, your account will need to be verified before you can log in. You'll be sent an email with a verification code. Please do be sure to check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes the email is sent to those. Once you find the email, simply type in the verification code and then click the Verify button, and you should be able to log in. Another security feature of Show the Way is a session timeout. This means that after 30 minutes of no activity within the app, your account will automatically be logged out. When you come back to the app, you'll need to log in again. Once your account has been verified, you can go ahead and log in. When you log in to Show the Way, you should look at the top to see that you're connected to your local data store. This is where the information that you submit through the app is stored in the Regional Command Center, which can be accessed by your local administrators. Also on the homepage, you can see the shortcut buttons for My Clients, My Follow-ups, and My Tickets. We also have a task list and a calendar. The My Clients button will take you to a list of clients with whom you've interacted. The My Follow-ups button will take you to a list of clients that have follow-ups recorded by anyone on your team for clients you're working with together. The My Tickets button will take you to the Request for Help platform to manage your requests. We'll discuss client interactions and requests for help tickets in depth in other modules. On the left-hand side, you can either click this icon or use your finger to swipe out from the left to access the main navigation menu. You can come back to the home page. You can access the Case Management, Encampments, or Tickets module. You can record action or find resources in the resource directory. We'll be having separate training sessions on each of these modules. On any screen, you should see these three dots in the upper right-hand corner. If you click on them, you'll be able to see My Settings, Account, and Sign Out. My Settings is where you can see your active project assignment. If you're assigned to more than one project or team, you can make those updates here. Your active assignment is very important, as the data that you submit is going to be tied to this active assignment. So, if a client is being served by a particular project, you want to make sure that that's your active assignment. Under Account, you can see your profile information. It's important to keep this up to date, as this is how your local administrator will contact you. It's also how the multi-factor authentication is verified. You can also reset your password if you'd like to here. And finally, you can sign out of the app using this menu option right here. We do recommend that you sign out when you're not actively using the app, as there is access to sensitive client information through Show the Way. Again, there is the automatic timeout after 30 minutes of no activity within the app, but it's always a good idea to go ahead and get used to signing out when you're done. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to check out the rest of the training videos in this series. If you need additional support, please email us at support@simtechsolutions.com.